first thing I think in terms of mindset is that we must think business owner, not agent.
Yeah, when you are starting your real estate business, think of this. You need to be the CEO of a business. Any business owner is the CEO of the business when they start something. Oh, you currently showing up as that CEO. Will you appoint yourself as the CEO of your real estate business at the moment? If not, what do you need to change to be that CEO and for you to appoint yourself to become that CEO?
Gary wrote in his book, the goal isn't just income, it's a business worth owning that supports a life worth living.
Oh, that's good, good, good. And this is not a job. A job is where you get paid to do something. This is a business because if you're not going to be working, there won't be money. This is where you really need to show up as a CEO. You are building an asset going forward. This is not just something that you are clocking in at 8 o'clock and you are closing the door and locking the door at 5. Not at all. Also, keep in mind, every decision is evaluated by the leverage, profitability, and sustainability of your business that you are running.